My name is Shira Blumenthal, and I started an anti-bullying campaign in 2018. I asked knitters and crocheters to knit and crochet blue hats. Hey everyone, today we are doing mail time for Hat Not Hate. In 2019, I'm looking for 25,000 hats so I can outfit schools throughout the United States. And each state have a school that is blue throughout the month of October so that these children can stand up to bullies and unite together.
Snap a photo of yourself wearing your blue hat and share it using hashtag #HatNotHate during the month of October.
Why blue? The color blue represents awareness, peace, and solidarity.
Blue is the color to wear to show your support of anti-bullying.
That nuance to me is so awesome. The fact that it's the same color, we're all humans, but we're all different. Every single hat is gonna be different, and that's really the message about anti-bullying. We're all different. We don't have to be the same, we don't have to think alike, we don't have to look alike, but we do have to respect one another. That has to be the common thread.
Okay, if your friend is being picked on, it's not okay, guys. I want you to go to your parents. I want you to go to your teacher.
I want to thank you so much for all of your hats that you're making out there. You guys are crafting away and you are making these hats with so much love and helping me communicate this campaign to hopefully the world, because I want to end bullying and you guys are helping me do that.
Joining me tonight, this is Shira Blumenthal. She is the brand ambassador for Lion Brand Yarn Company. Good to see that this campaign is really drawing a lot of attention, Shira.
It's drawing so much attention and I could not be happier.
Everyone says, well, I can't make, this many hats, or that's too many, or I can only do one. One is more than I had before. Every stitch counts and every hat matters. And we're all becoming change makers, which is really cool. We're making this campaign loud and proud and communicating how we all stand up against bullies. And I just feel so appreciative of all your efforts out there. Every time I open up a package, I am beyond touched. Hat Not Hate is something that means so much to me day in and day out, and I am proud to say that I am the founder of this campaign and that each and every one of you is a blue soldier of mine out there telling your friends, telling your family, and hopefully one day with a campaign of Hat Not Hate, we can eradicate bullying. Let's end bullying together.
Hat Not Hate!